Fluent API is an advanced way of specifying model configuration that covers everything that data annotations can do, in addition to some advanced configuration not possible with data annotations, like we saw composite key. Data annotations and Fluent API can be used together, but code first give precedence to Fluent API, then data annotations, and then default conventions. So Fluent API is just another way to configure your domain classes. In order to use Fluent API, you have to do that in the DB context class with the onModelCreating override. We already saw that in our code how we can establish that when we set up composite key. So now we have done many things using data annotations on all of our models. How about we do everything that we did with data annotations using Fluent API? That way you'll get more exposure. In order to do that, I have all of these models. Let me create a replication of all of these models except category and genre and do them using Fluent API. Models will look almost the same, but they won't have any data annotation. So what we'll do is we'll make a copy of book, author, book details, and genre. Whoops, not genre, publisher. I'll copy them and paste them right here. The copy, I'll make them as Fluent. So I'll call this Fluent_author. I'll copy this. Let me do the same with the other copies. Great, we need to change the class names as well. We'll copy this, paste it here, and we'll remove all of the data annotations. At first, I will also remove the primary key and foreign key, so we'll remove that as well as the collection. We'll keep them simple to start. Let's make the change in the other places. Book author. Alright, this looks good. We'll leave it empty. We have the book detail. We'll make it Fluent_book detail. Remove all the data annotations. There we go. And we have publisher. Perfect. So right now we do not have any relationship among them, and the book author we won't be able to add it because we'll need composite key, so we'll do that later on. But we will start adding every one of them individually inside the DB context once we add the data annotations. So let's start with all of that in the next video. For now, let me build the solution and make sure it's working. Author, it gives an error. Let me see the book author. Whoops. Fluent author. I forgot to change this. So Fluent_author. Let me see this. Okay, that looks good. And we'll remove the annotations. Perfect. So this looks great. Let's start with all of this from the next video.